Oh my gosh, can this whoo, boy. Oh boy. Probably cleanest packaging I ever seen. Cleanest. Got the production manual. Even comes with a little tool. Not too sure what the tool's for, but obviously we're gonna find out. Oh, you guys already know the stickers. The stickers. I show you guys these lights. Let me just show you guys a little something real quick. Hold on. So I would like to say, guys, we are officially sponsored by Lasfit. But before this, let me show you. Day one. Even on the drift side. Got full Lasfit. All in the back already. We already purchased the rear brake lights, both on both left side, both on the right side, as well as we got their reverse lights. And well, I tell you, the reverse lights are insane, but that video is coming out next. Not after this video, but next. All right, to the best part. Oh my gosh, bro. This is a whole unit. So once I pull out my old ones, you guys are gonna see a big quality difference. I'm not even kidding. The ones that I have, that I paid $50 for, it was just like this piece. I'm telling you, just the way it designed, the quality, this is already like 20 times better. The other one was more like plastic-like material, had like a little short strand, and then to this. And I'm gonna be honest, that was the worst $50 I ever spent because they were actually less bright than my freaking halogens that were stock. But you guys are about to see the difference right now with these compared to eBay quality. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna come to the front of the headlight. You're gonna visually find low beam, high beam, turn signal / hazard. Middle one we want to get. Come to the back. Middle one is right here. As you can see, we already got the Lasfit LED low beams right here. As you guys can see. There we go, right back there. Then we're gonna go ahead and pull this one out. If I don't break it. eBay. Bro, this thing looks gross. Why did I even put this in here? What? Just gonna go ahead and pull this light up here, and we're just gonna give her a little tug. Push in on the clip right there on the bottom. Give her a little tug. Give her a little tug. Ah, this light kind of hot. Gone. All right. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go ahead and where is it? Where to go? We're gonna go ahead and plug her in right here. Give her a good snap. And then we're gonna drop this into place. And she is officially installed right there, as you guys can see. Whole unit. And this is just gonna safely tuck away right down here, where she's gonna get all nice and muddy from all of my off-roading. But you know, it's okay. Bro, Austin, oh my gosh, Austin, that is a difference. My $50 eBay one versus the one that's obviously making a noise, yeah. It's hella brighter.
Way brighter. You can't really pick it up on camera. Oh, you can, I can. This one has like, this one's a little more, that one's kind of like.
Oh yeah, how the actual light is brighter on that one.
Yeah.
So this is my $50 eBay one. Bro, already the difference is I can walk up to this headlight and I can see everything inside of it. I couldn't see it on that one. Oh my gosh. I'm actually gonna be able to see it at night. I need to get the other side in. Bro, this one was loose. This one was loose and the bulb's different. What the heck's going on here? That's dumb. It's okay, we upgrading. Bam! I freaking put it in and then I took it back out and then I put it back in. Oh my gosh! You can feel the heat coming off of them. Holy crap! Now I need to get the fog lights. I don't think my fog lights even work. Well, note to self, fog lights don't work. So that is gonna wrap it up for today's video on the install of the Lasfit LED high beam headlights, which I already had the low beams. Now I got the high beams, and hopefully next will be the fog lights. Mo has not seen it, but I'm gonna get his reaction on camera. But I'm gonna go ahead and drop their link in the description down below. And I want you guys to hit it and go show your support, because these lights are abnormally bright. Mo's about to see that firsthand, and I'm gonna get Mo on. I'm gonna get Mo on. I ain't gonna lie, I already got my boss on. I'm hooking my mom up. Watch. He says that now until he sees how bright these lights are. But like I said, links gonna be down in the description. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video.
I'll stare right at that shit.
What you think? What you think? After your first...
It's bright. We'll give it to him. I low-key can't see right now. I just tried to stare right into that shit. It's a little bright. We'll give it to him.
Also, I gotta give a big thank you to Lasfit for sending me these. You guys just don't understand. Bro, I could never, ever see off-roading. Probably because of my window tint. Window tint's kind of dark, but I am gonna see everything with these. I swear to you. I swear to you, I will. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, guys, so we're gonna pull out into the street real quick now that it's nighttime and go ahead and get you guys a street view. We just have the regular low beams on. High beams? Oh my God. Bro, that should not be legal. Bro, that's what my light bars look like. All I'm gonna say is, for all you people out there on the road, y'all better beware, because if y'all cut me off, y'all gonna get blinded by the brightest of lights. I'm sorry. This is insane.
That I'm lost